Here's how to set up Cronus Zen Xbox without PC. First is you have to turn on your Cronus app or your Cronus device. Make sure that the green button is turned on. Afterwards, make sure that a Type-C cord is now inserted at the right side of your Cronus. Once you have already confirmed that there is a cord, you have to put on the other end of the Type-C cord on your Xbox. This is how it looks like. Now, after connecting your Cronus to your Xbox using the cord, what you need to do is to get your smart cord that is under the Cronus and put it below your Cronus device. And then afterwards, once you put on your smart cord on your Cronus device, put the other end to the console or to the control sole of your Xbox. And now you have successfully set up your Cronus without PC on your Xbox.